ready yet?
Yeah, let's do it.
What do they really need to know about Queens?
There's so much. Let's just show them.
You always feel at home at Queen's.
I have lots of friends and everybody's really nice.
Your teachers really know you and you always feel supported and challenged.
I'm not afraid to make mistakes and I never give up.
We love being outdoors.
Beach schools and forest days are our favourite.
S'mores are my favourite.
You always have the freedom to plan your own time and study wherever you want.
This is still studying.
Having houses means you get to have friends in every year group. We always look out for each other.
But we love a bit of healthy competition.
School is so much more than what you do in lessons. There are so many clubs to be a part of, and you can even run one yourself, letting you stand out from the crowd and try something new.
Some things you just can't learn in the classroom.
There's so many leadership roles you can take and you're always empowered to shape and change things that really matters to you in school. I know I have a voice in school that's genuinely heard.
There are so many options available, and the career support at Queen's makes me feel confident in my decisions.
I know I've made the right choice.
Of course results matter. We all work hard to get the top grade and you're not limited by any ideas about what a girl should study.
Boys subjects? What are those?
You develop strength and confidence.
Everyone is supportive and we always celebrate each other.
Whether you're sporty or creative, you'll get it all at Queen's.